The adventure begins. Tatlong maleta sa isa. Yo! Hindi mo kaya masyadong wala. My sister is way too much. Okay. Nasa wake up na kami. It's currently 12:20 in the morning. And yung boarding namin is 12:50. So, giintay pa kami, guys. Antok na ako. Liam, can I see your face? Then yung may sapak sa mukha. Hawak ko. Tumama ata yung bote. Hindi ko rin sure kung paano nangyari. Pero ayan. Liam, come here, look at me. There, oh. Nagsusumbong na yung nanay doon sa tapak. Nakaline na kami, guys. Waiting sa bus. Good na kami. Gusto ko na matulog. Tagal ng bus.
12 seconds later.
Follow the leader ang mode namin. Umalis yung bus, guys. Hindi pala yun yun. What?
Take your video.
Uy! I thought you wanted me to film you. Finally, after more than 9 hours.
NANI?
It's currently 10:18 AM. Nasa Namba Park kami. Did you sleep well? Ang tagal ng tulog ni Maliit. Buong time tulog siya. Which is great. Kasi gagala agad kami today. Kasi 3 days lang kami dito, guys. So, yeah. Ano ba? Hindi pa doon? Naliligaw na po. Ligawan na talaga. The adventure begins. The adventure na maligaw. Gutom na ako. Laksa na. Hindi na kain. Charis. Pero di nga. Nakakagutom. Are you hungry? Diba, pumunta na dun sa McDo. Guys, update. Nag-ayos na kami. Para magmukha na kaming human being. Then, nilalagay na namin yung luggage sa locker. Yan. Nagkasya yung tatlong maleta sa isa. Yo! Nagkasya naman lahat. Yay! Nakaka-fresh, guys, yung ilaw dito. Kahit mainit. Let's go! Kakain kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan pa. I'll see you there! Hi guys! We're here at Namba! There! Oh my god! All you can eat. Am I dreaming, Liam? Oh my god! I'm here. Yay! We're going to eat here. Yakiniku no watame.
予約されてますか？
はい。
はい、順番にお案内しますんで。
Magwawagyu kami. Titingnan natin kung worth it ha. Kasi guys, medyo pricey din siya. This costs 6,000 yen plus. Plus tax tsaka yung drink bowl. So let's see. It should be worth it. It has to. Because it's pricey. We need to eat a lot of food. Ang laki na. You should know by now. This is the beef. Wow. Look at the marbling, you guys. The marbling is fast. Reaction video.
This is ano lang, wagyu by itself.
Yes, on its own.
Wow.
Me.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god. Hindi mo kailangan masyadong maya.
You don't see.
Different meat. Let's try it. Let's dip it.
Give me the other one for Liam, please. Here.
Yummy. What are you doing? What? Look at the cheese. Oh no. What the hell? Guys, look at the cheese ball. Paano to? Nog-nog na yung hands ko. Hindi ko makuha. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ito.
100 over 10. Ayaw niyo pa umat.
How about you?
Ayaw niyo pa. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim actually.
Huh? Gosh.
I'll give it to my baby first.
This is the perfect bite, you guys. Ang sarap. This is a wagyu.
There is a cow. There is a cow.
Guys, busog na kami lahat. Pero kasi 6K. So we gotta make our money's worth. Guys, time for dessert. This is cheesecake. Mochi na may chocolate. Guys, that's the total bill. Nabusog ako, guys. After the Tanbori to Glyco. Ano ba basa doon? Glyco. Hindi na yung milk tea nasa chupon. Milk tea. Oh my God. Hala. At least hindi malagkit. Hindi naman dumikit ka. Hindi naman super lagkit. Kung sa Pilas to, mas malagkit siya. Dito nga may breeze pa eh. Yun lang. Mainit. Look. Ayan o, may mga ganyan din naman sila. Dito ka lang tatapat. Ah, miss. Sarap. You're so fat. You only, don't include me. Yan na guys. Nandito na si Blaiko. Nasaan na siya? Ayan na! Wow! Osama! We're going to Cheese Point. Try the Cheese Point na. Dito kaya yung may cheese.
Girl, kagatin mo na lang, please.
Wait.
I will.
Wala masyado. Hagit na ka. Ready?
Ha? Uy, wala yung hapon. May kahapon.
Tira mo naman ako ng cheese. Kinom mo na lahat. Wow! Wow! Ababa. Oh! 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 Babaan mo! Oh! Wow!
Girl, ang galing ng timing natin. Super walang pao sa flight. Command.
Kasi mainag. Mamayang hapon yung dala. I need water. It's so hot.
Ano naman yung mukha ko?
I'm drenched in sweat. Need it.
I told you, it's hot here.
Ibang level. Kumbaga level 8 na siya siya.
Maganda lang yung nakikita niyo. That's the only difference.
Truth.
And it's clean.
Truth. I would have to 100% agree. Diba? Paano hindi matutuwa yung mata mo? It's so maaliwalas. Ah, diba? Ganun yung feeling niya. Parang maaliwalas. Mag-agree ka. Sasabihin nila, OA ako.
Yeah, okay siya.
Guys, pinagtitiisan daw nila.
My sister is way too much.
Guys. Pero alam mo, may distinct amoy yung putot mo. Laging ganun yung amoy. Nakapansin mo? Yung naamoy mo kanina, di ba ganun yung naaamoy mo?
Ito yung mga usapan sa usapan.
Tunay kasi. Hindi mo napansin. Pag sa Japan, tas may umutot, ganun yung amoy. Ah! Oo, kaya. Tunay. Dapat alam mo.
Girl, yun na naman sa di ba sabi sa inyo, wala pang 5 minutes. Si OA talaga. Nanny for 3 minutes. Because that's the only patience level she has for kids. What?
If I see them, I will see the neck. See the neck, I will see it. The neck. The neck. The neck. Amito mo to.
Tama na kasi. Amin lang ingay nyo.
So guys, update. Naglakad kami sa saan nga to? Dotonbori. Then now, train kami going to the Airbnb. 15 minutes lang naman daw siya na train. Are you David? Oh, see? Look, oh, Liam is bad. Throwing the pillow to Tinang.
Sorry. Tina.
Gonna cry.
Don't cry, Tina. Don't cry, Tina.
Ang hirap guys ha. Iyon, Izumicho. Tama ba? Wala, ang daming train. Toke? Platform 3? Pang ilan? Pang ilan? Guys, update. Nandito na kami. Saan tayo? Ang init! 15-minute train and walk daw kami. Papunta dun sa Airbnb. So, ayun yung ginagawa namin ngayon. Ang problema, saktong 3 PM. Hindi naman sakto, pero 3 around magto 3:30. Kaya super init, guys. Hindi nakaka-fresh to ha.
Maalin.
Are you tired? Guys, hanggang na talaga.
2 hours later.
Update. Lumampas kami sa stop. Guys, dapat doon kami sa may white. Nandun na. Ano ka na yan? Ay, the adventure begins. Kasi guys, rapid train yung nakuha namin. So, hindi siya tumigil dun sa station na dapat magabaan namin. Update guys. Nasa tamang train na kami. Ikaw, nasa tamang daan ka na ba? Hopefully, nasa tama. Kasi pagod na kami lahat. 4 minutes daw guys. Tingnan natin kung totoo. Dahil we're here. Is it? Yay! Hello. Let's see. Okay. The shower room. Laundry. This is the parang... Ito ka magtututbrush. Mini kitchen. Then this is the room. Wow! It's small but so nice. Grabe yung init. Ay, hindi ko pinakaya. Doon kami galing. Mag-rest muna kami, tas mamaya na ulit kami lalabas. Bye! So, we're out and about again. Babalik kami guys sa Dotonbori. Because we don't wanna waste any time. Dahil bukas, mag-USJ kami. Then, the following day, doon kami mag-Nara Park. We're going to Dotonbori. Ayan, ito na pala ulit siya eh.
We're not going here. Again.
Guys, we're gonna try yung McDo dito. Guys, this is what we ordered. Cheeseburger for Liam. Abby, shrimp burger. Tapos McFreeze. Ano to? Orange juice. Then, mango smoothie. Of course, fries. Then, ito. Look, guys. Milky na pie. Wow! Isang melon soda.
Sininong ano na nakagat naman. Ano pa na tulog? Lahat na yun. Lahat na daw yun. But it's not nice coffee.
Look guys, so may botejo din dito. Guys, we're trying naman yung takoyaki dito.
Ingat! Ba't masarap?
Guys, pauwi na kami. And look at this! Ang dami kong pinamili. The damage has been Osaka day 1 pa lang. It's fine. It's bound to happen anyways. So, magte-train na lang kami pa uwi. And yun na, magpe-prep na lang kami for USG. So, might as well end the vlog here because I'm tired na. Anyway, galit na sila. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.